The number 32747 written to 4 significant figures is. So again, we're taking this from a paper 2 approach as well as a paper 1 approach. Right? Remember, anytime you have to express something to a certain number of significant figures, that the first thing you look for is the first significant figure. Remember, of course, that the first significant figure is the first non-zero integer, and then from there you just count. So that in this case, the first non-zero integer would be 3. So this would be a first significant figure. They want us to write this to 4 significant figures, so we say first significant figure, second significant figure, third significant figure, fourth significant figure. When we get to the fourth significant figure, we then have to decide what happens next. So what we do is look at the number after the figure, after the last significant figure, after the significant figure that we're looking for. So we're looking for the fourth significant figure here. So after we find that, we look at the next number. If this number is greater than 5, then we add 1 to this and we change this to 0. So in this case, your final answer would be 32750. Good, which is answer B on this question. Just for the sake of explanation, if this were a 2 instead of a 7, right, and they had asked for the same 4 significant figures, then the answer would have been 3274, and they keep the 0 here. So in other words, this will end up being a 0 regardless, but whether this 4 remains a 4 or is converted into a 5 will depend on the value of this number here. Greater than 5, we change this to 5, we add 1 to whatever the number is here. If this were less than 5, then we leave this number as is. In this case, we leave it as a 4. Alright, so in this case, the answer for this question is answer B.